Hi, I'm Alicia Fonceca, licensed mortgage agent with Bricks, and I'm here today to talk about the beautiful listing at 25 Concession Street, Unit 123 in Cambridge, Ontario. This property is a spacious condo townhouse, 2-bedroom and 2-bath. However, I'm here today to help give you some perspectives on what your mortgage could look like to purchase this home. Let's start with the property is currently listed on the market for $599,900. If you are considering just making a minimum down payment of 5%, you could be looking at an approximate monthly mortgage payment of $3,355. Now, if you do have the ability to make a 20% down payment, which helps to avoid the required default insurance premium, you could be looking at a monthly mortgage payment of just $2,459 a month. So if you are interested to run the numbers to understand if you can afford this home and better understand what mortgage rates and terms are available to you, please feel free to reach out to me. You may send me an email to mortgage@aliciawiththekeys.ca.